Hello Color Kids, welcome to your favorite channel. First drawing. Draw a carrot. This is carrot. Coloring a carrot. Orange. Green. Carrot is orange and green. Second drawing. Draw a turnip. This is turnip. Coloring a turnip. Green. Purple. Turnip is green and purple. Third drawing. Draw a radish. This is radish. Coloring a radish. Green. Happy. Radish drawing. Half white. Fourth drawing. Draw a cucumber. This is cucumber. Coloring a cucumber. Green. Yellow. Cucumber is charming. Great job! Have a great journey! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.